painting can feel like a huge task, especially when you're dealing with large surfaces. An airless paint sprayer can help by applying paint up to 3 times faster than a roller, making big projects feel much more manageable. These tools use high pressure to push paint through a small tip, turning it into a fine mist that creates a smooth, professional finish. With adjustable pressure control, you can fine-tune exactly how much paint you're applying, improving coverage and reducing overspray and waste. We're going to break down some of the best airless paint sprayers available. We'll take a look at features like pressure control, hose length, ease of cleaning, and more to help you pick the right one for your next project. So, let's get into it. Coming in at number 4, it's the MaxSpray M1 Airless Paint Sprayer. The MaxSpray M1 is built for jobs up to 10 gallons, so if you're working on anything from an accent wall to a garage, this sprayer's got the capacity and power you need to get it done. It's beginner-friendly, but it doesn't cut corners on quality. You get a 360-degree swivel joint that lets you easily spray from any angle, so even tricky spots aren't a hassle. The Automax Airless spray tip and the powerful motor delivers a smooth, even coat straight from the can, giving you professional quality results every time. You've got a 12-inch tip extension so you can reach those high areas without straining, anti-fog goggles to protect your eyes from any mist or particles, and a cleaning kit that helps keep your sprayer spotless in just 10 minutes using their Flush Ease valve. And if anything ever feels loose, they've even included a wrench set to make adjustments easy. And here's what real users think. It has garnered over 500 reviews with an average rating of 4.3 stars on Amazon. People love how easy it is to get started and the quality finish it provides. For anyone wanting a reliable, cost-effective airless sprayer ready for indoor and outdoor projects, the MaxSpray M1 is a fantastic choice. Alright, let's move on to number 3. At number 3, we've got the Graco Magnum X7 Cart Airless Paint Sprayer. This sprayer is a powerhouse that can handle big projects, and it's perfect for those of you who need versatility, power, and a design that's easy to maneuver around the job site. The X7 is built with a cart-style frame, so whether you're painting rooms indoors, fences, decks, or even the entire exterior of a multi-story house, you can roll it along without much hassle. With its fully adjustable pressure control, you can fine-tune the spray pressure depending on your project's size and surface type. With the rack-first switch tip, you can reverse the tip to clear blockages in seconds and keep going. The stainless steel piston pump on the X5 handles unthinned paint at high pressure, so you can skip thinning and get straight to work. Perfect for thicker coatings. Plus, the flexible suction tube lets you pull paint directly from a 1 or 5 gallon bucket, minimizing refills. This model comes with a 25-foot Duraflex hose and support up to 100 feet of paint hose, making it perfect for multi-story homes or large surfaces. Attach the extra hose and you can easily reach high areas without a ladder. Once you're done, the X7 makes cleanup easy with its Power Flush adapter, which connects to a garden hose for fast and hassle-free cleaning. With over 4,000 reviews on Amazon and a strong 4.6-star rating, the Graco Magnum X7 has earned one of the best in the sprayer world. Users love the consistent power, high-quality finish, and convenience of features like the direct bucket suction and RAC IV switch tip for clog prevention. Coming in at number 2. We have the Wagner Control Pro 130 Paint Sprayer. What sets the Wagner Control Pro 130 apart is its high-efficiency airless technology and budget-friendly choice in this lineup. Traditional sprayers tend to produce a lot of overspray, but they claim the HEA technology on the Control Pro reduces overspray by up to 55%. Less overspray means less wasted paint, less cleanup, and easier prep. Plus, it delivers a softer, more controlled spray that helps ensure a consistent, smooth finish on your surfaces. Another major benefit here is its gravity-fed design. This sprayer comes with a built-in 1.5-gallon tank, so you fill it up and go. It's designed to handle a wide variety of unthinned paints and stains, so you can use it for both indoor and outdoor projects without worrying about constantly thinning your coatings. And with a 25-foot hose, you've got the range to tackle large surfaces or reach high areas without moving the whole unit around. For continuous painting, the stationary tank system on the Wagner Control Pro makes priming and cleaning a quick, mess-free experience. The Control Pro 130 has earned over 3,000 reviews on Amazon and an average 4.2-star rating. People appreciate the low overspray, easy setup, and impressive coverage it delivers, making it a solid choice if you're after a high-efficiency sprayer that can handle a variety of paints and stains. Alright, we're down to number 1. Let's see what the top spot holds. And finally, here we are at number 1, we've the Graco Magnum X5 Stand Airless Paint Sprayer. It's built to tackle multiple jobs every year, whether it's updating a room's interior, adding a fresh coat to your deck, or even painting the exterior of your house. With the capability of handling projects up to 10 gallons, it's ideal for covering those larger areas without constant refilling. The sprayer also comes with a fully adjustable pressure control. This allows you to customize the spray depending on your surface and the type of paint or stain you're using. The stainless steel piston pump delivers the perfect power and coverage for both thick latex paint and lighter stains with no need to thin the paint. The Magnum X5 comes with a SG2 heavy-duty metal spray gun and a true airless nozzle, which can be reversed to bypass clogging. The flexible suction tube lets you spray directly from 1 or 5-gallon buckets, perfect for large surfaces with fewer refills. Graco recommends this airless paint sprayer for homeowners who use up to 125 gallons of paint a year. The X5's stand design offers solid stability, so even if you're on uneven ground or working outdoors, it stays put while you move around. It includes a 25-foot hose and supports up to 75 feet, so you can easily reach high areas without moving the sprayer. And when you're done, their power flush adapter makes cleanup super easy. The Graco X5 has a huge fan base with over 6,500 Amazon reviews and an impressive 4.6-star rating. Users love the power, versatility, and ease of use, especially when tackling big projects. If you're looking for a high-quality sprayer that can handle multiple projects every year, the Graco Magnum X5 is the best choice that won't let you down. Now, let's take a look at how to choose the right airless paint sprayer for your needs. Choosing the right airless paint sprayer depends on your project size and needs. For larger surfaces like walls or decks, pick a model with higher pressure and larger capacity, such as the Graco Magnum X5. Consider the hose length. Longer hoses up to 100 feet are great for multi-story homes or hard-to-reach areas. Look for models that handle unthinned paint for faster work and adjustable pressure control to reduce overspray and improve precision. Lastly, ensure it's easy to clean. Features like power flush adapters can make cleanup quick and simple after your project. Thanks for sticking around. Hopefully this breakdown helped you figure out which one suits your needs best. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tips on the latest tools and gadgets. Drop your questions in the comments, and as always, check the links in the description if you want to pick one of these up for yourself. Thanks for watching.